Meeting new friends. Last month, I moved to a new city. I did not know anyone here. I felt lonely at first. I wanted to meet new people and make friends. One day, I saw a poster at the local library. It said, "Language exchange group, practice English and make new friends." This sounded perfect for me. The group met every Wednesday at 6 p.m. The next Wednesday, I went to the library. I was a little nervous. What if nobody talked to me? What if my English was not good enough? I found the room where the group met. There were about 10 people inside. They sat in a circle on chairs. A woman with curly hair saw me at the door. She smiled and waved at me. "Hello. Welcome to our group," she said. "My name is Sarah. Is this your first time here?" I nodded and told her my name. Sarah introduced me to the group. Everyone said hello. The people in the group came from different countries. There was Carlos from Spain, Min from Korea, Ahmed from Egypt, and others. Some were students. Others worked in the city. All of them wanted to practice English. The group leader gave us a fun activity. We had to find someone who liked the same food, music, or movies as us. I walked around the room and talked to different people. I met David, who liked the same movies as me. We talked about our favorite actors. David was friendly and had a good sense of humor. He made me laugh. Then I met Maria. She was from Brazil. Maria invited me to sit next to her. We discovered that we both liked to cook. We shared recipes from our countries. During the meeting, we played word games and had interesting discussions. The 2 hours passed quickly. I was surprised when it was time to leave. Before I left, Maria asked for my phone number. Some of us go for coffee after the meetings sometimes. Would you like to join us next week? I felt happy and said yes. The next Wednesday, I went to the group again. After the meeting, I went for coffee with Maria, David, and 2 other people from the group. We talked and laughed together. Now, I go to the language group every week. I also meet Maria for lunch sometimes. Last weekend, David invited me to see a movie with him and his friends. I still feel new in this city, but I don't feel lonely anymore. I am making new friends. It takes time to build close friendships, but I am happy with my progress. If you move to a new place, don't be afraid to join groups or activities. It is a good way to meet people who share your interests. Everyone needs friends.